guys, so this is my 2008 350z Nismo. I ended up purchasing this yesterday, and the way I feel about this purchase, I strongly believe I got a really good solid buy, man. I think average these cars, they go around 15-16 market value depending on the condition, but for the most part, you know, they go between 15 and 16. I've seen some of them that are priced over 20, but those are more like pristine condition. But man, I can't believe I have this car right now. I've been wanting one of these cars for the longest time. I had a friend of mine, he had a 350Z. I think he had the DE rev up, and I think he had the VO side body kit. It wasn't a Nismo, but I fell in love with the 350Zs ever since then. My friend Mo, he got a VQ, he got a G37, so he got into the Nissan community, and I just had to get into the Z community as well. That is one of the main reasons. One of the main reasons also why I wanted a Z is because of the community. Like, I just want to be part of the Nissan family. So, but here it is, a Nismo, a true Nismo. Nothing really crazy with the exterior. Like, there's nothing major, there's no major dents or anything. The paint, it can need a new paint job, but I'm gonna try and buff that out. Probably, you know, do a little paint correction and see how that looks. I do need new wheels, or at least touch them up a little bit, because yeah, they're pretty discolored, and there's some chips and stuff like that. But you know, it is a 2008, so I'm not really tripping on that. And obviously the rear is just the best part of the car, in my opinion. That fucking bumper, dude, that fucking bumper is fucking crazy. I'm gonna get some POVs for you guys on the road. But yeah, man, the interior is not the greatest either, but I mean, that's typical Z shit, honestly. You know, there's a lot of little scratches here and on the doors, and you know, there's there's scratches there, and the seats are not that bad, but you know, they are discolored. So, but I don't plan on keeping these seats for long anyways. I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy this POV, and God is good, baby. Enjoy the vid.
In half a mile, turn right onto East 30th Avenue.
Shut up, bitch. Yo, if I ever want to get married with a really fit girl, I'm coming to Eugene, bro, because that's all you see is people running on the sidewalks. There's a lot of older people here in Eugene, though, but there's some fit-ass girls in Eugene, bro. Alright, so far I've noticed that the car does get in alignment. It kind of like sways a little bit to the right. Nothing major really. So far the car's pretty fucking solid, yo. Yeah, man, I noticed this thing has Apple Play or Apple Pay or Apple CarPlay, I don't even know. But it's just dope, dude. I was actually thinking about getting one of these, but I kind of already has one. Yes, I did notice the sound system is pretty trash. Like, out of fact, like, there's nothing wrong with it. The speakers work. It's just it's pretty trash, man. Like, yeah, it definitely needs a sound system for sure. As far as like my future plans for this channel, I really don't know, man. Like, I need to sit down and strategize. Now that I have two cars, right, that I can actually modify, I need to see which one would be worth modifying in the short term versus the long term. So I need to sit down and think about that. But at the end of the day, man, I have two cars that I really love. it's not even screaming yet, bro. It's you can see the smoke, you can see the steam coming out, but it's not boiling yet. It's not screaming yet, bro. It still needs some time, especially this bull cycle. It still needs to, you know, it still needs time to boil up, and I think it will boil up by the end of this year. But what are you guys' thoughts, man? What are you guys holding, bro? Put it on the comment section right here. What are you guys holding, bro? Y'all got some Dogecoin, y'all got some Ethereum, y'all got Bitcoin, Trust Swap. What do you guys have, bro? Once I go home, dude, I'm gonna be in quarantine for 8 days. In those 8 days, I am going to fucking watch Cowardly the Coward Dog. Is that, yay. Anyways, y'all know what I mean. I remember watching that show when I was smaller, and I was pretty scared, man. I got those little dark vibes, bro, watching that shit, bro. But now that I'm a grown ass man, like it's even better to watch now, because I ain't no pussy no more, so I can actually watch it and enjoy it. Rather than when I was smaller, I used to watch it and be afraid, and like, you know, I would like, you know, I'll be scared, bro. Like, but now, man, I'm actually intrigued to watch it, like all seasons. I don't even know how many seasons there is. I gotta go back and research. But let me, oh wait. Story short, there you go. Hey, what the fuck is going on over here, bro? What kind of bullshit is this? Damn, hopefully everything is good, bro. Oh man, they gotta tow that. They gotta tow it away, bro. No. I'm sorry, dude. That sucks ass. Man, hopefully everything is good, bro. Anyways. Anime, yeah, we're about to get into anime. Anime is, look, man, the only reason I got into anime is because I was going through some anxiety. I was suffering from anxiety, and I literally had nothing to do. Like, when I would get home from work, I would literally just fucking sit in my room, bro. Dark room, lights off, everything off other than my TV. And I just happened to run into Death Note. Death Note was the first anime that I ever watched, and it happens to be one of the top, 5 animes of all time. And I didn't do any research on anime or anything. I think I hopped on Crunchyroll and I put that bitch on, and that was it, bro. Like, I just started watching it. I got hooked, like, instantly. There's a lot of people that suffer from like anxiety or depression. They tend to like watch anime. One of my favorite animes of all time as of right now is Attack on Titan, bro. A lot of people don't like that shit for some reason. Like, a lot of anime fans don't like Attack on Titan. There's a lot of anime fans that don't like Attack on Titan because it's mainstream. But you cannot use that as an excuse to not like Attack on Titan. The Outwitting War, bro, it kind of starts kind of weird and lame, but it gets really good. Outwitting War, I would recommend. That's what she looks like at the gas station. So far she's been running pretty good, man. I did notice it does need an alignment. It needs new rotors. So yeah, that's one thing that I am gonna get done as soon as I can. But hey man, enjoy the views. Enjoy the views. So I just left the state of Oregon. I just want to thank Oregon, baby. Thank you for this Nismo. And it was fun driving through Oregon. Now we are in California now, I think, right? South of Oregon is Cali, I believe. I should know that. Yeah, there's a big ass fucking mountain over there. That looks beautiful. Dude, that was a cop. I got that on camera. Alright guys, so I just finished washing the car, detailing it. But yeah, man, this is pretty dirty still. Like, I didn't really detail it the way I wanted to. It definitely needs a paint correction. There's a lot of swirls and stuff like that. There's not any major dings or dents. There is the side skirt down here is a little cracked. I'm not really tripping on that. It does need tires in the back. The tires in the back are pretty bad. They're kind of, yeah. The e-brake does need, I think I need to change the padding, the e-brake pad on the back, because there's an imperfection here. The passenger seat, there's no rips on the passenger seat. It's all good. But yeah, man, this is the interior, bro. Everything works. Every button works, I believe. I haven't really fucked around with the buttons here on the steering wheel. But the ones that I have, they do work. This thing is wearing off. I can, you know, buy one of these on Z1 Motorsports. Probably order one of these. You know, this is like pretty trashed and it's ripped also. So as far as the specs go, this car does have a Motordyne Shockwave TDX2 catback exhaust. It's got R pipes. It's also got a Nismo R tune intakes, and it's got a Z1 Road Race clutch kit with a CSC delete. What do you guys think, man? Is it a clean buy? You think it's a clean buy? You think 16 G's is fair market value for these Nismos? It's got 118,000 miles. I think I got a good buy. What do you guys think? 16K is overvalued, undervalued? It's a market value. I think I made a good buy. I don't think I made a bargain. I don't think I overpaid for the car. I think I bought it at market value on the conditions that it has. But anyways, that is my take. I'll let you guys go. Stay safe, stay humble, and you already know, baby, be legendary.